Hello students, now we are going to see three-state buffer and programmable logic devices from module 3. First we will see three-state buffer. The three-state buffer, it's also called tri-state. This is a device, this is a digital circuit device which is having three states. The three states are logic 1, logic 0 and high impedance state. Okay, and there are four types: buffer if 1, buffer if 0, not if 1, not if 0. First is buffer if 1. This is the tri-state non-inverting buffer. Non-inverting buffer with active high enable signal. Enable signal or control signal. Okay, active high enable signal and also non-inverting. So this is the symbol of buffer if 1. This is input, this is output, this is control signal. The control signal is active high here, active high here. Okay, so next we have to see the truth table. So truth table will be having input, control input and output. Okay, so whenever the control inputs are 1, the buffer will work. That is what it is, buffer if 1. Buffer will work if the control input is 1. So control input is 1. Whenever the control input is 1, the input will be carried to the output side. Okay, x is 0, output is 0. X is 1, output is 1. If control input is 0, x can be 0 or y. Sorry, x can be 0 or 1, but you will not receive the output. Okay. Second one, buffer if 0. Buffer if 0. This is a tri-state non-inverting buffer with active low enable signal or control signal. Okay, so there is only one different. Control input is active low. Input output remains same. Control input is active low. So control input should be 0. Control input should be 0. See, whenever the control inputs are 0, then only we will receive the output. If x is 0, output is 0. If x is 1, output is 1. If control input is 1, whatever may be the x value, you will not receive any output. Okay. Next one, not if 1. Not if 1. This is the tri-state inverting buffer. This is the tri-state inverting buffer with active high enable signal. So control input is high only. But what is this inverting buffer? We'll see. See, the buffer is inverted. So if the input is 1, the output is 0. If the input is 0, output is 1. Okay. Control input is 1. Okay, we'll see the truth table. Truth table. Control input is 1. If x is 0, output is 1, because this buffer is inverting buffer. So it will invert the input. Input is 1 means output is 0. If control input is 0, we will not receive the output. Okay. Next one is not if 0. So that is a tri-state inverting buffer with active low enable signal. Okay. So two buffers are here. Okay. For output also buffer, control also buffer. Okay. So control should be 0. If x is 0, output is 1. If x is 1, output is 0. If control input is 1, we will not receive any output. Okay. Tri-state buffer is 1. Now, programmable logic device. Programmable logic device is nothing but digital integrated circuit which is capable of being programmed to give a variety of different logic functions. Okay. PLDs are capable of realizing from 2 to 10 functions or 4 to 16 variables with a single integrated circuit. See, in many PLDs we have thousands of gates and flip-flops. Okay, so which is used to replace larger ICs. So larger number of circuits can be replaced with this single PLD. So the cost is also less, design that time is also less. When the digital signal is designed using PLD, if you want to make any changes in the circuit, we can only change the program codes. We can only change the codes. No need of changing the wiring and all. Okay. So there are many advantages with this PLDs. We'll see the types. There are three types: ROMs, programmable array logics, that is PALs, and programmable logic arrays, PLAs. Okay. ROMs, PALs and PLAs. So first, Rome. So in all the three types we have AND arrays and OR arrays. We have AND arrays and OR arrays. Okay. In the first type, in Rome, AND array is fixed. AND array is always input, OR array is output array. Okay. In Rome, AND array is fixed, input array is fixed, but the output array is programmable or fusible, we can say. In PL, programmable array logic, AND array is programmable or fusible, but OR array is fixed. In third one, PLA, AND array and OR array both are fusible, both are programmable. So as per our convenient, we can change both the arrays. But here AND array is fixed, here OR array is fixed. Okay. So these are about three-state buffer and programmable PLDs. Thank you.